Hello students. Today I'm going to start geography for class 9, that is lesson 4, climate. So in your previous chapter already you have learned some basic elements to study the environment. One is landform, another one drainage. The third basic element is climate. So very important to know your surrounding. We should know about climate, very which is very important out of all these three elements. Sometimes what happen, the thing it comes to your mind that uh, usually suppose in winter season we have to wear the woolen cloth. Why? Definitely we feel cold. The answer is that. And why do we feel cold? Some reasons are there. During summer season we feel very hot, and one more season is there, suppose monsoon season, why the rainfall occurs. So all these things, to know about that, we should know what is climate actually. So for that purpose, I'm going to start climate chapter, and today's session will be introduction part. Usually this climate word is attached to it so many articles already in media. Also you have heard climate change everywhere. What is this? What climate change is going on? That means during the earlier times, whatever the nature, the temperature, the pressure, the rainfall, the whatever amount of rainfall, everything, whatever amount it was there, but now it is not like that. It is not prevailing same amount of temperature or same amount of rainfall. All are changing, and that changes maybe for our better, maybe for our uh, which is which may affect for our future. It may be dangerous. So whatever it is, but we have to discuss about why it is, that means that climate changes occur, what may be the variation, all these things. But before that, we should know what is climate. And basically here in this lesson we have to study about the climate of our country, that is climate of India. So I'm going to start uh, here. One term, weather. All of you know that weather which is attached with climate also. So weather and climate, these two words, there is a variation. We don't say that weather and climate are same thing. Today's weather condition is not good, it doesn't mean that today's climate is not good. We cannot say that one. So why we cannot say? Maybe some differences may be there. Before that, I'm going to start the differences, the between that weather and climate. uh, First of all, you should know what is climate. Climate refers to the sum total of weather conditions and variations over a large area for a long period of time. So if the time factor comes, how much time? More than 30 years. That means the weather conditions we have to calculate. The average weather conditions we have to take for more than 30 years. Then only climate of that particular area will get. Weather refers to the state of the atmosphere, maybe the temperature, rainfall, whatever state of atmosphere over an area at any point of time. Maybe today morning, today afternoon, or the noon time. Weather may vary. The elements of weather and climate are the same, but yes, whatever elements are the weather and climate, that similarity is there. That means temperature, pressure, winds, humidity, and precipitation. These are the elements of weather and climate, and those elements are same for both weather and climate. I'm showing one graph which depicts the actually the weather variation which occur in Guwahati month-wise in a year. You see, from January to December, the rainfall, those bar actually showing the rainfall. So rainfall is increasing, and June, July months, it basically we can say that it is January, February, March, April, May, June. June month, you see the rainfall is more, whether July also almost same, but slowly August onwards it is decreasing, and in December it is very low, less. So as well as not only the this rainfall, but the temperature, you see this red color line which shows the temperature, which also increases according to the, that means the rainfall along with the temperature. That means both the temperature and rainfall, it increases as we move from January to July, June, July, August. So June, July, August, September, more rainfall occur. Whether the temperature also remains more, as well as um, it is decreasing from September onwards, and December it decreases up till some degree, whatever it is mentioned here. So I'm particular, the thing is that whatever the monthly variation you have seen here, that variation month wise it is different. You see whatever rainfall occurs in January, which is not similar to in September or October, whatever you have seen. Same thing in temperature also, we have seen that which is very low during January, February, or in December, but which increases in June, July, August. So in this way, there is a variation of weather. So in this way, not only rainfall or temperature we are calculating, but the humidity and other elements also we can measure in this way. The wind conditions, everything. Now, if the weather term it comes, the how is the weather today? If somebody asks, then we can say yes, today is windy, rainy, or cloudy, or stormy, maybe snowy, or it's very hot or very cold. So here, one picture I'm showing the difference between the weather and climate. See, short-term variation usually in atmosphere, which we can say weather, and long-term variation, that is climate. This is the chart which depicts the differences between weather and climate. You see, first point, weather is the condition of the atmosphere in a specific place at a given point in time. These atmospheric conditions may take place day to day, minute by minute, or seasonally. That means that weather variation occur for a certain places, but day to day or by minute also there is a difference. And climate is average weather conditions over a place, and it mostly take place after 30 years of time. That means we have to take the average weather conditions for minimum 30 years, then only you'll get climate. Weather may involve just one condition of the atmosphere, maybe temperature, maybe rainfall, any one condition. But climate includes all the conditions. That means temperature, precipitation, wind, humidity, cloud, pressure, everything we have to include. Weather occurs in a place within a short period of time, whether climate takes place over a long period of time. Weather is what we you get only on a daily basis, but climate is not like that. It is for a long period of time. So weather changes within a short time, but climate for a long period of time. It may be a decade or centuries. Scientific study of weather is called meteorology, or meteorologist studies the weather condition. But scientific study of climate is called climatology, or a climatologist studies the climate. So weather conditions fluctuate very often even within the day. Already we have told that one. But there is some common pattern over a few weeks or months. That is, days are cool or hot, windy or calm, cloudy or bright, and wet or dry. These are the common pattern we can observe for some few months also. On the basis of the generalized monthly atmospheric pressure, the year is divided like that. Some seasons we know that winter, summer, autumn, rainy season, all these things. So I'm showing four seasons: summer, autumn, winter, and spring season, which occur means for the whole world. The four seasons I'm showing. These are the climatic zones. If we see the climatic zones in the whole world, so you have got in class 6 that heat zones. So same thing, the climatic zones. I'm showing that the heat zones of the earth. That is a climatic zone. You see tropical zone in between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, while in between Arctic Circle and Tropic of Cancer, that is subtropical temperate zone, that is not subtropical, that is not temperate zone. Whether in south in between Antarctic Circle and Tropic of Capricorn, that is South Temperate Zone, while beyond Arctic Circle, up till North Pole, that part we can say polar zone, North Polar Zone, and where Antarctic Circle, and in between South Pole we can say South Polar Zone. So these are the main heat zones of the Earth. Thanks for watching.